Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a testing video on a unit here. We've got a Stockmaster SM12000. It's a 12 output joules AC powered unit. So we're going to go through it, see if we can get it going again. Now, we've worked on this one before. I don't remember what we did to it in the past, but the note says output of the fencer seems to be weak or not at all sometimes. Also, the connection where the fence attaches at, which is this side, doesn't seem to tighten up correctly. And it says, as always, which I must have worked on other ones besides this one for him, make it as hot as possible. So we're going to see what we can do to spruce it up some. Well, I'm going to just go ahead and take the case apart before we just start doing too much, because see what we can do to get this guy fixed up. That smells kind of, ooh. Well, I see the issue already. It smelled kind of funny. There's a diode right up there that's split in half. So I'm not even going to plug it in. We're going to, you see this hot side doesn't always, the ground side is what doesn't tighten up all the way. This is the fence side, but it's the ground side over here that won't tighten up. Alright, we'll have to figure that out. Well, let's get this board out of here. Let's unplug some wires from it. Actually, I might not even have to unplug wires. Yeah, there's a diode right here, split right in half. That's part of the discharge side of everything. It's kind of a protection piece for the transformer and the board and everything. So, let's unplug a couple wires just to give ourselves a little more room to play around with here. And looking at this, I don't know if I can make this thing. This is about as strong as we can make it. It's the biggest capacitor that they supply for this unit, and this is the biggest board, power-wise, joule-wise, that is available for it as well. So let's get a new diode out real quick. We could stick a new board in there, but let's try to fix the old board first. This board is, we'll try to desolder it first. This is a double-sided. It's got solder on both sides of the board on those parts. There's, in this part anyways it does. It's got a solder on the front side and the back side. Let's see if we can just, maybe we can suck it all the way through from the back side and get the this. Don't know if this is gonna work or not, but let's try. Come on. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll just snip that diode right off the top there on the front side, and we'll solder it from the top side. Just use the leads from the old. Oh, it fell through, so that's good. But looks like we'll be able to pull this old diode all the way off and just put a new one all the way through. And then we'll try it again. We'll plug this in and see what happens. See if I can get this diode to pop all the way. Come on. Then we might be good to go. This one, yeah, still some solder on the front side. It's still coming through. Ow, it's hot. Ow, God dang. Let's see if we can. Oh, there it goes. Alright, new diode, I think this is the right one. Well, these do go in a certain way. Dials do have a kind of a polarity to them. They're a one-way device, so they don't allow power to go through one way. So you put it backwards, of course, it won't work right. So let's solder this in. Let's see what happens. Now these two black wires come from the capacitor. They do not have a polarity to them. Alright, let's plug it in and see what happens. We still got to get this knob thing there straightened out. See, it's still not, it's barely pulsing. Alright, well, it smelled kind of hot, so let me go grab another board for it. Alright, here's a new board for it. So now let's discharge the capacitor. I don't know if it's got a charge on it or not, but let's go ahead and go across the two wires, and we'll pull this board out. We got to get this power cord unplugged. Alright, these fuses are probably good because it was coming on, so we'll just take these fuses out because these are pretty common fuses used on certain brands, certain models use this little short fuse, so we can keep those as spares for rainy day. So let's go ahead and get the power cord plugged back in. It's pretty snug so the stupid wires don't come unplugged by accident. So let's see here. Let me check my little booklet so I know which wire on this switch, which one goes where. It's got an S1 and S2. Looks like S1 is a center leg of the switch, so that's the black wire. And then the yellow wire is outside leg of the switch, which is this one. So plug that on there. I honestly don't think it really matters, but we'll just do it because do it the way it says, just that way we're good. Alright, we're going to put the black wire transformer there. Red one transformer there. Let's get this from there. Now let's plug it in. It's on full power. There it goes. Now it's clicking along. Let's do a little arc test across this thing right here. Yep. Nice and hot. Okay, unit's working fine now, so let's get this see if we can get this thing to hold still while we, so that way he can tighten everything up without having the knob just spinning on him. Okay, there's a nut down inside here. See if we can get this. Where's my socket wrench at? Have you got it over here handy somewhere or not? Okay, that one's doing its job. As you tighten it up, it stops. Let's check this one too, because it hit the fence side, but it is tightened up just fine. But let's pull this little washer off. We'll check this. Oh, it's got another wash. This one's got 2 washers on it. This one's still stuck. Come on. There we go. Alright, tighten this up. Oop. We'll put our tester across it. It had a nice good spark to it, so I imagine it's working fine. But let's get our digital tester out. .7 kV, so right around 7,000 volts, which is where it's supposed to be. I think it's between 6.5 and 7 is where the spec sheet shows on this, so this is right in the ballpark where it's supposed to be. Nice hot spark. That's a pretty strong unit. Well, this one's done. This one's clicking right along. Little lights in there flashing, doing its job. So not much else we can do to this. So this one's done. So we're gonna. I'll look it up. We got 18-month warranty on the repairs on these things that we do. So I'll look it up, see when the last time we worked on this for the guy. If it's under warranty, we'll just fix it, no charge. If we did a board repair or board swap the last time, we'll just do the, do it under warranty for him. If it's in, we have 18-month warranty on all the repairs that we do. So we'll look that up and see. I still got to write it up so that we can keep track of things. But, well, if you got a Stockmaster or whatever unit or any other brand of model, send it in here to us and we'll be happy to take a look at it for you. And until next time, we'll see you later on. Bye-bye.